All right, I'm here with Kyle at Dell to tell us about the new, what is this?
It's the integrated rack 5000.
Integrated Rack 5000. Okay, and what's in this thing?
So as you can see here, we have 12 different servers. There's the PowerEdge 9680. You can have up to 12 in there. Each server comes with, can hold up to 8 GPUs, H200s.
Those are the H200s, okay.
Yep, it's the H200s. The rack itself, you could put in the switches, but this is showing off the capabilities of really bringing in how dense we can put in the number of GPUs. So in all, it can take up to 96 NVIDIA H200s. And we can, it has a liquid cooling to cool the GPU and CPUs along with it.
Okay, so I don't know if you all caught that, 96 GPUs in a 1RU rack. And these are the H200s. These are not your gamer GPUs. These are AI GPUs. And that's why Dell is calling this the AI factory. All right, so this is what is the individual server that's holding the GPUs. And you saw a video of that with the H200 just a moment ago, took and open out of the box.